You are working on a perfect layout in Canva when one wrong click sends your background or a tiny icon flying across the screen. This happens because Canva treats every layer as a movable object by default, and your mouse is naturally going to grab whatever is on top. It is a total productivity killer that turns a 10-minute design into an hour-long struggle. I am going to show you exactly how to freeze those layers in place so they stay put no matter what you click. Stick around until the end because I have a specific trick for managing large groups of elements that will save you from ever having to fix a ruined layout again. The reason your elements keep jumping around is that Canva prioritizes selection over stability. When you try to click a small piece of text, the software often thinks you are trying to grab the large background image instead. It is like trying to draw a fine line on a piece of paper that isn't taped down to the table. Every time your pen touches the surface, the paper slides. To stop this, you need to use the lock feature to effectively tape your design elements to the digital canvas. First, you need to identify which element is causing the most trouble. Usually, it is your background or a large shape. Click that element to select it. Once it is highlighted, look at the top toolbar right above your design area. You will see a small icon that looks like a padlock. Click that lock icon once to secure the position. You will notice a small lock symbol appear on the element itself, letting you know it is now unmovable. This prevents you from accidentally repositioning or resizing it while you work on other details. If you need to make a change later, simply click the locked element again and hit that same icon in the toolbar to toggle it off. Now, if you have a complex layout with multiple items that need to stay together, there is a better way than locking them one by one. Select all the elements you want to stay in formation by holding the Shift key and clicking each one, or just drag your mouse over all of them. Right-click and select Group, then hit the lock icon on the entire group. This keeps your entire layout stable even when you are dragging new items onto the page. Now for that pro tip I promised, if you find yourself constantly locking and unlocking things, try using the position button in the top menu and clicking on the layers tab. This lets you see every single item in a list format. You can click the lock icon directly next to the layer name in that side panel. This is much faster than hunting for tiny icons on the actual canvas when your design gets crowded. If you want to take your efficiency even further, you should check out how to use Canva keyboard shortcuts to speed up your entire creation process.